Hello everyone. Today our goal is to find, we have two goals here. Let's look at the first one. Our first goal is to find the percentage in a fraction. The second goal is to find the percentage of a number. We got four examples here. I need you guys to write down each individual examples into your notebook, and this will be your note. Let's look at our first two examples here. Our first example relates to our first goal, finding the percentage in a fraction. Now, the question asks you, find the percentage of 3 over 4. Well, before I even do the math, let's go ahead and make sure we make sense of the problem, okay? And a very concrete problem to start with is, if I have $1 and I need to break down $1 into quarters, I would make 4 quarters into $1, right? Well, every quarter makes up a portion of that $1, and every portion makes up a percentage. So if I only have 3 quarters, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarters, what percentage of those 3 quarters makes up the entire percentage of $1? And that's what we're trying to find. And the key thing here is, when we're finding the percentage of 3 over 4, we only have to divide. Okay, so the top number goes inside the box, bottom number goes outside. Okay, 4 does not go into 3, therefore we need to add a decimal inside and on top, and also a 0. 4 goes into 30 at most 7 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, subtract. 30 minus 28 gives you 2. We can keep going, add another 0, pull it down. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times, okay? So now we have 0.75, and to make it into a percentage, because we're asking for percentage, right? Here we have a decimal, we have to convert a decimal into a percent, and we have to put it to the right 2 times. So this is going to be 75%, okay? So 75 cents of $1 makes up 75% of $1, okay? Now, if you guys are having trouble remembering which side you have to move your decimals, look at this, okay? From decimal to percent, right? Decimal is on the left-hand side of the alphabet. Percent, P, is on the right-hand side of the alphabet. So if you're moving from decimal to percent, you're going right 2 times. If you're going from percent to decimal, well, guess what? Percent to decimal, you're moving to the left 2 times. So that's a little trick to help you if you don't remember. Let's look at example 2, copy down the problem, and pause the video and try to do this on your own. Find out the percentage on your own, okay? 7 over 5, again, 7 in the box, 5 on the outside. 5 going to 7 1 times. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. But we now need a decimal, right? 5 cannot go into 2. So let's go and add a 0 here. 5 goes into 20 4 times. 1.4. We can still make this as a percentage. You can always add 0 behind the decimals. So we can add some zeros in the back. Again, moving from decimal to percent, we're moving to our right 2 times. 1, 2. And finally, this is going to be 140%. Yes, we can go over 100%, okay? We can go over 100%. As a matter of fact, we can go as big of a number as we want. We can go into thousands, million%. Now, our example 3 and 4, that relates to our goal number 2, finding the percentage of a number. Now, if I'm giving you a problem, find 35% of $20. Here, we have a problem here. We cannot multiply by percentage, okay? So now, again, we have to convert. 35%, write this down. We have to convert it into decimal. So, converting percentage to decimal, decimals here, percent here. Converting from percent to decimal, we're moving left twice. So this is 0.35. So that's what we need, okay? 0.35. Now, all we have to do is multiply. 20 times 0.35. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 2, 6. Add them together, 0, 0, 7. Count the number of decimal places behind the decimal. 1, 2. That's it, right? We move it twice up. 1, 2. So 35% of $20 is $7. And we just had a blackout at my house.